Hi everybody, so we have launched this English language course for ISC 11th and 12th because the syllabus is same. So this course is strictly designed as per the ISC board syllabus and it follows the entire curriculum in a structured and easy way, ensuring top performance in exams. So what's included in this course? So we have everything covered, be it the directed writing formats, proposal writing, then transformation of sentences and preposition. And since prepositions require a lot of rules, everything is covered in this course. I'll just show you the PDFs and the video course. Okay, so this is a quick view of the course. So in this video, I'm teaching you like what you have to cover, what are the basics of this SOP, how to write it, and the entire format along with the example is provided. Then you can see that we have also uploaded the PDFs. For example, this is the prepositions PDF. The proper rules are explained on what preposition to put in, be it the basics or the higher level. So the best part about this course is that you will get the PDFs, lectures, practice papers, everything in this one course, and the amount is very decent. Currently it's $199 only. After some days the prices will surely rise. Then I'm showing you this movie review. Okay, so I've explained everything in this, what to write and how should be the format. You can buy this course from the link in the description box, and if you want some demo lectures, then you can check out my YouTube channel and Molly's YouTube channel as well. We have taught a lot of lectures, be it transformation of sentences, rules, or other directed writing formats. So thank you for watching this video.